was the night before Christmas, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in the hope that old Saint Nick soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their bed, while visions of sugar plums danced in their heads. When out on the lawn there arose such a sound, looked out of the window to see what could be found. The little old drive, so lively and quick, I knew in a moment it must be Saint Nick. So I drew in my head and was turning around. Down the chimney old Saint Nick came with a bound. He was dressed all in fur from his head to his foot. His clothes were all tarnished with ashes and soot. He had a broad face and a little round belly that shook when he laughed like a bowl full of jelly. He spoke not a word, but went straight to his work, filled all the stockings, then turned with a jerk, and laying a finger aside of his nose, and giving a nod up the chimney he rose. He sprang to his sleigh, to his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. I heard them exclaim as he drove